talking! This is my day! This is my game, not yours!
I must call Oliver now.
This cake is very sweet.
Today is my birthday! So happy! Dad promised to play with me.
Happy birthday, my sweet boy.
Thank you, Mom. So beautiful.
This is for you, you friend. Wow, a new ball! Thanks! I am so happy today! Where's Dad? Not here yet.
Do not worry. He is coming.
He promised me kick first! He pie first!
He will come. Wait a little.
Kick the ball! Play with us!
I want cake. So hungry.
Wait a little. Oliver is waiting.
Is your dad coming, Oliver?
Yes, he is very close now.
Oliver, we must cut the cake.
I am tired. My legs hurt.
Do not sit there, Jack!
Get out of that chair! Now!
I just wanted to sit down! This party is over! Go home!
We are leaving, Oliver. Goodbye.
Why did you not come, Dad? I am sad. I am alone.
The work is almost done. Ah! What is that loud noise? Oh no! Rocks are falling! I am stuck under rocks. My leg hurts a lot. I must call Oliver now.
Where are you, Dad? Come home!
I am okay. Do not cry.
Dad, are you safe? I am very scared now. Please be safe. I love you, Dad. I screamed. I hurt Jack. He came to make me happy.
And you hurt your best friend?
Jack always plays with me.
Have my cookie, my friend. You are very kind, Jack. I will always help you.
He shares good food! Always! I am a bad friend. The rain stopped. I must go now. I am sorry, Jack. Please wait for me. This is Jack's house. I am very nervous. Jack, Open the door. It is me, Oliver. I am sorry, Jack. I was very bad. I was very sad, but we are still friends. You are my best friend. Let us eat this cake. Thank you, Jack. This is very good.
You should eat some cake, Oliver.
This cake is very sweet. Thank you. Look! Dad is safe! He is coming! That is great! He is safe now! He's safe now! My dad is safe. I am so glad.
Happy birthday to you, my best friend.
This is my best birthday. Thank you.